Picture a career where you get to solve problems, take pride in your hard work, and build something every day. Whether it's working with your hands, mastering advanced technology, or collaborating with team members or customers on a project, concrete manufacturing offers endless opportunities to gain real-world skills and make an impact on your community. Building a career with County Prestress and Precast is your chance to earn competitive wages right out of high school with no experience. We offer stable, rewarding jobs where you can earn as you learn. Figure out where you fit best with opportunities to transfer into different departments or locations. February is Career and Technical Education Month, and it's a great opportunity to experience firsthand what a career in manufacturing looks like. County Prestress and Precast partners with schools to bring students into our facilities for exciting and interactive tours. Imagine a future for yourself in concrete manufacturing.